Hi Bafetu, I'm back Bafetu, back with them, back another thing Bafetu. Ebilihle Bhengu has written a story. ANC grants Senzo Mchunu special leave amid corruption investigation. Firstly, he was granted a special leave by the president for the ministerial position. Now he's granted special leave from the ANC. Clearly, Senzo Mchunu is special, man. Serious, is special. Why they don't just suspend him or fire him from his position? Clearly special, just like all politicians in South Africa, especially the ANC ones, the big leagues, big wigs. The ANC has granted suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu special leave party Secretary General Fikile Mbalula announced on Tuesday. Mbalula said the decision announced during a media briefing in Gauteng allows Mchunu, who serves on the ANC's National Executive Committee and the National Working Committee, to step aside from his political duties pending an investigation into allegations leveled against him at Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. Abambalula and Paul Mashatile and everyone else who is in the hopes of being an ANC president, they're happy about this decision. They're very happy. Actually, they're dancing that it is a -1 competition. Now they need to minus one another now. They need to minus one another. The National Working Committee has recommended that Comrade Senzo Mchunu request for special leave from the activities of the NEC and NWC be granted, said Mbalula. He explained that the decision aligned with the NC's National Conference resolution on credibility and integrity, which guide the participation of leaders accused of crimes or under investigation. But it took time, guys. It took time. As soon as Mkhwanazi dropped those bombs, you should have cancelled the guy. You should have suspended the guy from all his duties. As soon as Mkhwanazi dropped his thing. Mbalula commended the minister's understanding of public frustration over crime and corruption. In light of the Commission's work and what is required of him, it is practically impossible not to agree to that particular request. Mbalula said, this ensures that he carries no burden on himself on the NC while the processes unfold. Allegations against Mchunu. Although Mchunu has not yet testified before the Madlanga Commission, several witnesses have accused him of having links to individuals implicated in corruption, including allegation tender Premier Vusumuzi Matlala and allegedly ANC fixer Brown Mokgotsi. The way the ANC fixer, you guys, fixer pela, and this Brown Mokgotsi is dealing with drugs. So if the ANC guys, the ANC fixer, it's probably supplying them. I'm kidding, man. The allegations include claims that Mchunu benefited from a 500,000 donation by Matlala to his presidential campaign, and that he played a role in the political interference in leading to the disbandment of the political killing task team. So Mchunu was on the verge of becoming an ANC president. Kabanga, with this accusation leveled against him, having the president, as we are doomed, I'm telling you. Doomed. And whoever is being elected in the NC is same. Nabombalula, they were suspected of being allegedly involved in the passing away of Bozwana. Abu Paul Mashatile, yes. It's only Panyaza who has not yet. Probably if he raises his hand to be ANC president, there will be things that will come out. Ramaphosa is accused, Palapala, Marikana. No one is clean, Jede. No one. A recent witness, a detective formerly on the PKTT, told the commission that Matlala's contribution covered flights, tickets, accommodation for ANC members attending a party conference in Cape Town. The witness alleged that Matlala expected donation to protect him from police investigations. Mchunu has denied knowing Matlala, telling Parliament at core committee that he had no relationship with the businessman, and later claiming that he knows him. So guys, we are run by criminals in South Africa, especially the ANC ones. Now I always say, let us try, if we are clearly in a democracy, let us vote for other political parties and give them a chance. Because it's only 5 years, guys. That's the power. That's the only power we have. That's the only power we have. Anyway, Bafetu, let us subscribe, let us like Bafetu, let's go to the page Bafetu, Azanian Politics, the Opposition TV. See you in the next video.